Well, we're looking at Brewer Saltbush here, Atriplex lentiformis, subspecies breweri, sometimes called quail bush, but technically Brewer Saltbush. And these are planted here in Scorpion Canyon, although it was found growing naturally here, and it's from those plants that we've made collections and planted them here around the marsh at Scorpion, and also been planted extensively by the Park Service on Scorpion Rock. This plant is kind of distinguished by its rather gray foliage, and it's called saltbush because it's very salt tolerant, and you'll find it in around marshes and salt flats and on bluffs all throughout the island. In many different environments throughout the island, but it's actually relatively scarce on Santa Cruz Island, just in a few spots. It's a lot more of it growing here at Scorpion now that it's been planted, and it's very tolerant of this environment, so it does provide a little bit of native plant cover here and is able to survive in this rather high saline environment. Native Americans used plants in this genus medicinally and for soap making and things like that. All right, we're looking at the leaves on the Brewer Saltbush here. Main thing is that they're relatively large and they're very, very gray.